Hello and welcome to my channel. Age is just a number, and my name is Barbara Jean. I'm so glad you came to spend a few minutes with me today. This is a channel for women over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. But today I'm coming to do a little tag. And this was a tag that was started by Elle for Living, and it's E-L-L-E. And beautiful woman. She lives in, I think, Phoenix, the Arizona area. And she was just moving to a new place further north. But she started this tag, and it kind of made me think. And I thought, well, I really want to do that as well, too. But she was listing 10 things that, because of our current situation with being in lockdown and social distancing and everything, that we can find that we can be grateful for. And I thought that was an interesting topic, and because I'm hearing more and more women that are they're not doing well, that they are becoming sad and getting frustrated. The things that are going on is, if you watch the news too much, it can just kind of weigh on you and get too much. So I thought finding 10 things that I could be grateful for, and I came up with my list really quick. So I thought I would share them with you. Now, the first one I'm going to have to borrow from Elle, because this is the same. I am the very same thing. And number one is being able to do my own nails. I took my acrylic nails off years ago because of the damage that was happening, and I haven't even never done the dip, but I just take care of them myself. And I was joking the other day because sometimes we have a little bit too much time on our hands right now, so I was able to create an Excel spreadsheet of all my nail polishes. Who knew? And then of course I had the little wheels with each color on them, and they're categorized. I mean, it's crazy, but hey, it was something to do in an afternoon. So that is my number one. Number two, something that I am happy and grateful is about being at my age, which is 61, working really quick to get to 62. I do not have any gray hair. So therefore, the salon hasn't been as much of a detriment to me. I can't cut it, and I'm not going to try cut it. I did do a video on doing some touch-up with the face bleach, and I just went in and just did some lightening up of the darker roots, which is the darker red in there. Just trying to put some of the highlight back in there a little bit. So, but I can link that down below for you. So that's my number two. Number three is got to be my family. I have a loving and supportive husband. He had shoulder surgery the first week in January, so he has been off. So he is here at home, and because he is classified as an essential worker, he otherwise would be out, and I would be worried about him and all this craziness that's been going on. But he has been such wonderful, and so have my kids too. They all understand, and they know, because I do have a compromised immune system because of the medication that I take, that I have to be really careful, and they are being extremely careful around me. My husband doesn't go out without a mask and gloves on, and is making sure that he cleans his hands up the moment, or washes his hands and hand sanitizes the moment he gets back in. And he does most of the store runs so that I don't have to. I have ventured out a couple of times, but for the most part, he has been doing it. So my daughter is also an essential worker as being a flight attendant, and she has been called upon to fly still. So, but she takes extra precaution. My son is works for the sheriff's department, so he spends his evenings sitting on inmates at the county hospital. So he has not, he won't come around at all, because he's just so afraid that he can bring something home. So, but we talk on the phone, so that's wonderful. So, but my family is just being very, very supportive, and I'm very, very, very thankful for them. Number 4, where I live is a master planned community, and we have this wonderful park area with all these jogging and biking and walking trails. And I have been able to get out almost every single day and get out and walk and get my exercise. And people are being very they're at the park. They are, I mean, everybody just steps across or steps off of the path and gives everybody room. And it's just been it's been wonderful to see the birds out there. There's places with the wildflowers. It's a beautiful place, and I'm so thankful that I have that nearby here to where I can go and experience it and take pleasure in nature. Number 5, technology. I mean, we're having to do everything from home, even church. So with the technology that we have, we're able to see our family, see our friends, our church family, our church friends. We're having it by Zoom, so we can still attend church and get the word. And that's very important to me. So the technology that we have these days has really made that better for me to get through this as well too. Another thing that kind of goes along with the technology is YouTube. Since I started my channel a few months ago, this has been something for me to do and get my message out to women of a certain age, that, hey, don't just, lay down, get up and show up every day, ladies. And I have been keeping myself busy trying to do some videos to put my message out there for that. And I have just been blessed with making new friends from all over the world. And it's, ladies, it's just, it's wonderful. And if some of you ladies out there, are you making videos? If you want to do this tag as well, I think that would be wonderful, and show us what you are thankful for as well too. So let's see. Number 7. I am thankful that I learned how to make my own vitamin C and hyaluronic acid by watching Pretty Over 50. She's a beautiful lady, and she was doing this, and I saw her video, and I mean, my goodness, I'm saving so much money by making my own hyaluronic acid and vitamin C fresh, keeping it in the refrigerator. I'm even making my daughter some too, and so she can partake in it. But because it is so inexpensive that way, we can actually do more of it, for the rest of our bodies as well too, and I feel really good about doing that. So number 8, I am so happy and so thankful that my mother taught me how to cook. Yes. Not that I don't want to go out and support some of the restaurants. We are not big eater out as well. So, but with my husband home and me, so it's just like we cook very healthy meals. And I'm so thankful that I know how, and that I can continue doing that. And it's really more cost effective of that as well. And it's healthy and not processed. Number 9, learning how to stay out of the sun at a very young age. I do not go out without sunscreen. I learned this long time ago, and it has really paid off in my skin by not going out and being a sun worshiper and having my skin so dry and wrinkledy. It is one of the things that I taught my daughter too, as well, when she was young. Always take care of your skin, and it has paid off. So it's wonderful. So number 10, I'm so thankful and happy I have Amazon Prime. You know, there's something that you won't need, you know, if you can wait just a day or two, it'll be delivered to you at no cost for the delivery. So that is, that's been a blessing to have that, to where if I ran out of something and if it wasn't at the local little grocery store, that I could get it and have it here in just a few days. And it's really a blessing. And so I am thankful that there is Amazon Prime. So, all right, so that is my 10 list. I'd love to hear your list of your 10 things that you're grateful and thankful for at this tough time that we're going through. So tag me, if you want to do this, tag me in your video, and tag Elle. I'm going to tag her below too, so you can go and watch hers if you haven't already. But ladies, I'll wrap this up really quick. Like I always said, and I mean it, every day, get up and show up, because you are worth it. So, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that little subscribe button down there. I would appreciate it so much. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. And ladies, until I see you in my next video, have a wonderful day and be blessed. Bye.